So, you have an online business, you have spent a ton of money to develop the site, and you have worked very hard to make the business profitable. Suddenly, your website is not working as it used to. Maybe it's redirecting to another site or showing different content. So, your business is burning in front of your eyes. And most importantly, your reputation is on the line. In this video, I'll show you how to remove malware and take control of your site, step by step, and explain what happened and how to fix it. By the end of this video, I'll share a complete checklist about how to protect your site from future malware attacks. The malware removal process is not complex. If you know how to install plugins and basic operations, you're good to go. Here are 8 easy steps to remove malware from your WordPress site. 1. Backup your site. 2. Deactivate all the plugins. 3. Reinstall WordPress. 4. Install security plugin. 5. Activate the security plugin. 6. Scan your site. 7. Delete affected files. 8. Reactivate all the plugins. First, we have to take backup of the site. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to Add New Plugins menu under Plugins menu. Then search WPVivid. It will show you a backup and migration plugin developed by WPVivid team. Install and activate the plugin. Take backup using this plugin. I will create a detailed video how to create a backup of your website using backup plugin. You will find it in the top right corner when it is published. Then we need to deactivate all the plugins. Navigate to Install Plugins menu under Plugins menu. Select all plugins. Select Deactivate Bulk Action and apply the changes. This will deactivate all the plugins. Now we will reinstall WordPress. Navigate to Updates menu under Dashboard. You will see a button to reinstall WordPress itself. After reinstallation is complete, you will see the screen. After that, we have to install a security plugin. I will use WordFence as the security plugin. Navigate to Add New Plugin menu under Plugins menu. Search WordFence. It will show WordFence plugin. Click Install and later activate it. Then we have to get the license of the plugin and activate the license before we can continue with scanning. Now click Get License button. It will take you to this website. You will see some pricing plans. Free will do for now. Click Get Free License. It will try to convince you to purchase the Pro license, but free is good for now. Click the below link which indicates number 2. You will see a form. Fill up the form with your email address and other information. Then click Register. It will show a pop-up that says you need to check your email to complete the process. You will get an email like this. In the bottom, you will find the license key. Now navigate to Dashboard menu under WordFence. You will see a pop-up that says Resume installation. Click on it. After that, another pop-up will show up. Click the link that is marked with number 1. In the pop-up form, fill up the form with your email address and license key. Make sure that the email address should be the same as before. Now click Install License. You will see a confirmation. Now you may proceed to Dashboard to complete the next step. At step number 6, we have to scan the site. Navigate to Scan menu under WordFence. You will see a button that says Start a new scan. You will find that it is marked with number 3. Click on the button and wait till it's finished. After scanning, you will see an interface like this. It will mark out all the malicious files that is either affected or newly created. You may fix some files, but most of them needs to be deleted. You will find an option to delete files from the action menu. It is marked with number 3. The last step is to reactivate all the plugins that we have deactivated in the first step. Just select them and use bulk action to activate them all at once. If you have a lot of plugins, it is a good idea to do it one by one. Tedious but effective. These are the 8 easy steps that you could follow to get rid of your malware from your site. I will add the links of all the plugins I have used in this video in the description box. Hi, I am Aftabul Islam. I have over a decade of experience in the software industry. If you are facing any problem running your business online, you talk to me. I'll share a link to book a free call in the description below. In most cases, these 8 steps are good to get rid of the malware, but it doesn't 100% guarantee that it will not reinfect your website. To be sure that the malware doesn't reinfect your site, I have created a checklist of precautions you may take to prevent it. Comment "need checklist" and I will share it with you. If you find this video useful, then share this video with others. If you are a business owner and would like to get notified when a new video is published in this channel, then subscribe and turn on the bell notification.